Hello, this is how to create a webhook for private chat mode. It's really simple. Just open the Community app. Simply click on the Create New Webhook button and then set the Webhook type to private chat mode. Ensure that you have carefully selected a single brush option for your needs, and finally press the Create button. You will then be taken directly to the Manage Webhook page, where you can view more details about the webhook, pause your webhook so that it does not receive any signals, or disable it altogether. You can also copy the URL you need to put into the TradingView settings from here.